So I told myself I didn't need another machine. I was not planning on making this video, but here we are. I just got back from Michael's and purchased the new Cricut Joy 2. So we're gonna unbox this together, do some test cuts, and see if we like it or not. If we're just meeting right now, hi, my name is Nisha. Welcome to Little Craft Nest. Now, just the other day, I posted a video about my opinion on Cricut's new release, the Cricut Joy 2, and they also released the new Explorer 5. I did hold back and only purchase one machine. I haven't got the Explorer 5 yet. We'll see if I get that one or not. But the reason why I got this one is because the price was just so good. And I really wanted to see the Joy do print then cut. I'm actually really excited about that. So let's open up this box. So I got the Essentials bundle for the Cricut Joy 2 from Michael's. So you can purchase the Joy 2 also on Cricut's website, and there's a number of different packages that you can choose from, and that will depend on what materials you get inside your box. So let's see the materials that I got with this one from Michael's. So here's our Get Started packaging. And this is upside down. This looks like our materials here, the essential bundles, but we'll open that in a second. And we've got a hollow spot in our box here. Don't know why. There's extra space there. But here is our user guide, warranty. Oh, look, there it is. Let's pull this Joy 2 out of the box. And there it is. It looks completely different than the original Joy. And here it looks like we've got our tools. So let's check this out. So we've got some cutting mats. This is awesome. We've got the card mat and just a regular mat. This is so great because the original Cricut Joys did not come with these. You would have to buy them separately. We also got this little ruler here that fell out. This is just paper. Not really excited about this. But we do have a scraper and a spatula and a weeding tool. And again, these are tools that did not come with the original Joy. So it's so nice to have these all included, especially if this is your very first machine. We also have this scoring tool, which I'm really excited about because we can make nice score lines in our cardstock for making all sorts of cards or little boxes. And this was something that the Cricut Joy did not have. So this is really exciting. And then we also have a marker or a pen here. We've got the marker on that side, a felt tip, and then we've got the pen here. So dual tip marker, very cool. From my understanding, you can buy a whole pile of these dual end tip markers / pens for your new machine. And then if we lift this up, oh my goodness, check this out. We have a paper trimmer here, brand new paper trimmer. I use my other paper trimmer all the time. Love having this. Okay, so now let's check out the other materials that it came with. So this is gonna help us get crafting right away without having to already have a pile of craft supplies. I do have piles of craft supplies. I really didn't need all this extra material, but it's still nice to have. So let's see what's inside. So we have some smart vinyl here. This is permanent vinyl. And then we have some smart iron-on vinyl as well. And it looks like it's just the basic colors here. So nothing crazy, black, white. Looks like there might be a gold in there. Just your basic colors. And I think that was the same for the permanent as well. Just, oh, black, white, and some red. And then we have some transfer tape. Then we have some printable vinyl and some of their value cardstock. All right, let's see if we can set this up and make something. So I just plugged in my Joy 2, the little light turned on, and now I am going to open up Cricut Design Space on my computer. So I'm gonna click on Maker 3 at the top here. It says Maker 3 because that's the last machine I used while using Cricut Design Space. So I'm gonna click on that, and it looks like it found my Joy 2 already. So I am going to click on Joy 2. And then I'm gonna update the firmware here. Okay, we're up to date. So I'm gonna click on done. So let's try to make something. I'm going to go back over to the home screen and click on New Project, and let's select Folded Cards. I'm going to select a birthday card, and let's also click on Use a Cricut Scoring Tool. Let's select that and then click Create. So I love these new templates here that Cricut has. So you can scroll through all of these cards and select one. Oh, I love this chill out here. That is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna add this to my page. So I'm clicking on that. And we've got a preview of our project here on the top right. Super cute card. Let's check out what the layers look like. So I'm gonna click on Layers panel. It looks like we'll be using our Cricut marker or a pen for the text here, because underneath this layer, it says draw, as well as the handmade with love. This sloth also has a draw operation selected, as well as the heart. And then we have our folded line here, which we'll use our new scoring tool for. And then it will cut out wherever you see that blue, because it looks like we have a blue card backing that will go behind the cutout layer. So let's click on Make. And it looks like I need to set up my machine, which I didn't do. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to click on Setup, set up a cutting machine, continue. We are setting up the Cricut Joy 2. Continue. I have plugged it in, so I'm going to click Continue again. Searching for the Joy 2. And for some reason, I am offline. I'm not sure why. So let's try to reconnect. Yay, we're connected. All right, continue. And let's activate this. And my Joy is making some noise there, but I think we're all set up. All right, continue again and continue once more. All right, so it wants to perform a test cut. So we're gonna go ahead and do this before we get that card cut out. All right, so this here says practice sheet right on it. So I'm assuming that's the sheet we need to use for this test cut. We will peel this off. Okay, let's slide this into the machine and see what happens. Click to unload. Okay, there is our first cut there. Let's see if it cut all the way through by weeding. All right, I'm just gonna peel this up here. And let's grab a weeding tool to get that centerpiece out there. So here's the weeding tool it came with. These ones aren't actually my favorite, but I'm gonna use it because it came with it. And there we go, we did our first cut. All right, so let's continue. And now hopefully we can get this card cut out. So let's try click on Make again. So we have our first mat here and it says we will be scoring using the pen and having a basic cut. And then for our second mat, we're just doing the basic cut. So let's click back on that first mat and click continue. We are going to use the value cardstock that it came with. So that's the material I'm going to select. We're going to leave this on the default pressure. And our first step here is to load the black 0.4 pen. So you can see on the pen here that we've got the 0.4 and the 1 millimeter on this side. So I'm going to open up this clamp, pull out the blade that it came with, and we're going to load the pen. Now, before placing my cardstock on the mat, I just like to grab a sticker and place it on the protective cover so I remember which way I put it on. So then take the protective cover off. We need a piece of a white cardstock for this. And this is obviously too wide to fit on here. So we got to use our paper trimmer as well. So I'm going to take that out of the box and we're going to cut this to be just a little over 4 inches. So we've got our cardstock. We're going to line this up at the top. Actually, it doesn't matter what side the top is. You can do it that way or that way. Doesn't matter. It's the same. All right, let's insert this and see what happens. What's really cool is that I didn't have to press another start button or anything. I just put it in the machine and it started up right away. So this machine eliminates a step that you did have to take with the previous model. Okay, now we have to take our pen out and insert the scoring tool. And the scoring tool doesn't have a hole at the top, whereas the blade does. So that's how you can tell them apart. So we're gonna insert that scoring tool and then click on Go on the computer screen. Okay, that was super fast. So now we need our blade. So we're gonna take that scoring tool out and insert the blade. And then click on Go. And it looks like it's done, so let's click on Unload. All right, so let's get this off our mat. And the best way to take cardstock off your mat is by peeling the mat off your cardstock. You don't want to just pull the cardstock off because you will potentially bend it or rip it. So it's best to do it this way. And take your time and pull down those little pieces as you go. Okay, here is our card. There's the score line. You can see it. It's like very, very small. It's not quite as deep as I'd hope it would be, but it's still there. We still do have a score line. I just wish the pressure of the score line was a little stronger. Okay, so now we need to cut out that middle insert, but we do have some cardstock left on our mat. And the easiest way to get rid of that is, well, you can pick it off with your fingers, but grab the scraper that it came with and just scrape that off. So I'm gonna grab a piece of the blue cardstock that it came with. You don't have to use blue. If the project shows blue cardstock, you can use whatever color you want, but I am gonna go with blue. Once again, we will have to cut our cardstock down, and now it is sticking on my mat. So let's get that off before that cardstock curls up. And on the screen, if you hover over the blue mat, you can see that we need the cardstock to be just over 3 inches. So that's what I'm gonna cut. And once again, on Design Space, you'll have to select your material. So we're going to be using the value cardstock again. So let's slide this in and get it cut out. Oh, and I went around it 2 times. We're gonna unload this and peel our cardstock off the mat, or our mat off the cardstock, I should say. So here's our little insert. All we have to do now is glue this to the inside of the card. And look how cute this card is. I actually did rip this a little bit when I was peeling it off the mat, but we can fix that as well. So super cute card. I love how Cricut made this so easy, and I love all the new design templates they have. So easy to use and right out of the box. So my thoughts after using this machine one time. I actually wasn't planning on liking this machine, but guys, I really like this machine. It is so easy to use. It was so simple. It was smooth. It was fast. I just really like it. So originally I said I thought it looked like a toy, but guys, this is not a toy. It is a tool. Like, it actually works so well. So my hope is to actually do a comparison video with the original Joy and the Joy 2 so that you can see what's different about the original versus this one. But this one just has so many great features. I love the scoring tool it came with. I'm liking the pens. It's so fun. The only thing, which is a very small thing, that I don't love, but it's neither here nor there, it's the blade. So on the original machine, you'd replace the blade by taking it out, and now you have to replace this whole piece. So I'm kind of wondering, are the blades going to be more expensive because of that? Because it's going to cost more to ship them. And it's also just a little more wasteful throwing this whole thing out rather than this tiny little blade. So that's probably my only hiccup on it. I'm starting to get used to the new look. I still don't love that it doesn't close up fully. It has a bit more of a modern style, which has never really been my style, but I think it's gonna start to grow on me. I am gonna have to play around with this a whole pile more. Hopefully we'll be doing some sticker videos with it shortly. Let me know what you think and if you plan on purchasing the Cricut Joy 2. So I will have the link for the Cricut Joy 2 down below in the description so you can check that out. And I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.